Task number 4, practical exercise. It's the last one, right? Yes, it's the last exercise, the last task inside SQLMap, the basics, which is part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path. Let's go straight to the questions because it will just explain stuff in there. It looks like the backend is okay. Here we also see that. Okay, how many databases are available in this web application? Okay, if you're unable to extract the URL by the above process, you can copy it from below, from there. But here it just says, okay, let's just go to MySQL and we'll say wizard. It's not MySQL, it's SQLMap wizard. The URL, definitely, we will provide the URL right now. There you have it. Let's see. Post data, we don't know that. Get and post parameters found for testing. Get injection difficulty. We'll go for default. Enumeration, we'll go for basic. Okay, running. There are no forms found at the given target URL. The guys from want to see if he's the murderers, man. These guys are so good. Yeah, I was always wondering, like, how are they so good at kickboxing? Yeah, so they whooped the Thailand in. Let's open a bit burp. Even when I was fighting, I remember I went to the UFC with Kosaka my first fight. I just walked into the wrestling room and go, he came and tried to knock you out, dude. I hope you do the same thing with me. We'll drink a beer after. It's cool? And he goes, yeah, okay. So we have to fight. That's how we all right. Here, burp. Okay. There we have it. This is what we want. This is what we want. This is what we want. HTTP. Let's paste it here and just go back here. That's cool, but if I lose the submission, he gets on top. Now the rope is not closed. You start thinking different, more strategically, and I think that really helps the fighters. Like this. DBS. SQL, yeah. We go back here. We close the double quotes. Let's see. Until that goes, how many DBs are there? What is the name of the table available in the AI database? Do you want to skip test payload specific for? Yes, default one. Do you want to include all tests for MySQL extended provided level, risk and value? Okay. Do you want to retry to find proper union columns with fuzzy test? No. No values. Do you want to try random integer value? Yes. Do you want to try with a random integer value for option union? Okay. Okay, and what is the password of the... Okay, we'll see. Something with SQLMap. Let's see. SQLMap. AI. SQLMap. Chat AI SQ. Would be crazy to just go random like that and just have it table for AI. No, we don't want for others. Okay. Okay, we already see a payload that worked. Okay. SQLMap tried to optimize values. Fetching database is retrieved. I see. Version. It's trying to retrieve databases. All right, so we have 2. Let's see if this is the right answer. No, there are more. Retrieving, it started to retrieve the 3rd one. More than 3. Let's see, 4. Yes. Basically started. All right, more than 4. All right, so we have 6 dBs. 6 dBs. What is the notable value in the AI? We go like this. dBs. We go for AI hyphen tables. And we just go to accept that one. And let's see. Table available. So it's just only one. Name. But it's AI. Soft, maybe. Name would be just too generic. In AI database. LLMs. Mode. Fetch data logged to test. Ah, there you go, user. Oh, of course, user. And here we see, okay. All right, for the database, for the tables, actually. Let's see, DBs, T and dump. T for user dump. Let's see. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome.